Hello there. Our presentation today is about the Yale Mtrac electric endless winch produced by Yale of Columbus McKinnon Group in Wuppertal, Germany. First of all, why do they take an endless winch and what are advantages of this winch compared to other kinds of winches? As the product name already suggests, the wire rope here can be of virtually any length. Wire rope lengths of 100 meters or more are usual. And this winch, the rope is pulled by means of a traction sheave, which is inside of the winch. This is why they call this winch also a traction winch. The rope is pulled in, we can see it on the video right now, encircles the sheave and goes out. So we have no drum here. Having no drum, first the rope can be replaced very easily or pulled in easy again if you direct it through external sheaves and whatever periphery. And second, the winch is always compact, no matter how long the wire rope is. Yale Mtrac is a winch for material transport only. It is not yet designed for man riding. Our main customers are specialized distributors of lifting equipment and tools retailers. The consumers are mostly companies from the construction and maintenance sector, companies who do maintenance for lifts and elevators, and firms from the utility sector. This image shows the standard scope of delivery. The Mtrac winch will come to the user with a ready mount swivel top hook with a carrying handle which has an ergonomic plastic insert to be easy on hands while carrying, with so-called mounting feet. These are polyamide washers on the bottom of the winch, 4 of them. They are load bearing so that the winch can be deck mount to carry loads. So the standard is also a pendant switch and a control cable. Everything is ready wired, same supply cable with a plug. And the winch comes with a steel wire rope of 10 meters, which we defined as standard, but the customer can choose any other length of the wire rope. It comes with hook and a spring buffers as movement limiters. Standard features are also low voltage control of 42 volts, electric end limits, and the overload protection in form of a slip and clutch. Our product literature shows the data spreadsheets where we can first see the data for the single-phase winches, followed by the devices for the three-phase operating voltage. Very important is the new capacity of 500 kg, which we launched a few months ago. This information is all standard for single reeving operation. All the winches shown in this table are identical. We have the same wire rope diameter of 6.5 millimeters and the same body dimensions. So the devices here in this table vary only by different gear ratios and by the choice of motors. And with that we reach various capacities and speeds. No matter which device we take out from this table, the own weight of the winch is 24 kg. If any accessories or peripheral devices such as carrying frame or radio control are added, the winch can become 1 or 2 kilogram heavier. This is a similar data table but for the double reeved version. It is an option, and we offer here a set with a bottom block and some other gear which you can use to convert the winch inside and thus double the load capacity. So we can see that the new winch of 500 kg in a single reeving can move 1000 kg nominal load in double reeving with half speed though. Another option, a very unique though, is bi-directional lift. We offer here an optional set to retrofit the loose end of the wire rope with an additional hook, second hook, and thus we don't have to idle run the winch. You can see it on the video. Once the load is lifted, the unloaded rope end with the other hook is automatically in the bottom position and a new load can be picked up immediately. So the idle operation is completely excluded, and you can save time by being twice as effective. This option is patented by Yale, Germany. Another very helpful option is a carrying frame. We mentioned that the Mtrac winch comes with a handle as shown here on the picture. This handle can be replaced by the optional carrying frame, or two carrying frames are also possible. It helps a lot when two people carry the winch, or if you carry it alone, it's also a big help to have this carrying frame. The carrying frames, especially two of them, protect the winch perfectly when it is stored, when it is being transported on the car, or when you put it on the ground, the wire rope doesn't kink. So this is also a big advantage to have both carrying frames on both top and bottom. Very important here for us and for the customer, of course, is that the winch can be serviced very easily. We have here extremely simple access to the electric system, to the brake, now in the picture, to limit switches. Now the overload protection, you can see it on the image, can be readjusted during the inspection also very easily. This is the end of our presentation. For questions or doubts, please contact us directly. Or you can find on YouTube a more detailed video on this winch, and from our website you can download more detailed product literature. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon again.